Welcome back to iMotors Mind, where we dive into the latest in luxury cars and cutting-edge performance vehicles. Today, we're turning our attention to an exciting new entry in the compact SUV segment, the 2025 Ford Puma. If you're looking for a stylish, tech-forward SUV that combines efficiency with Ford's legendary driving dynamics, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Design and exterior. The 2025 Ford Puma continues to stand out with its bold design, blending sleek lines and sporty cues to create a head-turning compact SUV. Up front, we have Ford's signature grille, but with a more aggressive, modern twist. The slim LED headlights paired with the new daytime running light design give the Puma a futuristic, dynamic look. On the sides, we can see a subtle but muscular stance, accentuated by sculpted lines and flared wheel arches. Whether you opt for the standard model or the sporty street variant, the Puma looks ready to pounce. And for those eco-conscious buyers, the Puma's lightweight design contributes to better efficiency without sacrificing on-road presence. At the rear, the sharp LED taillights and the integrated roof spoiler give the Puma a youthful, performance-oriented edge. You can choose from a variety of striking color options, including vibrant shades like mean green and desert island blue. Interior and comfort. Step inside the Puma, and you'll notice that Ford has upped its game when it comes to cabin quality and technology. The interior is smartly designed, with a clean, intuitive layout, making the cabin feel spacious despite the Puma's compact size. At the center of it all is the 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster that's customizable and gives you all the driving info you need. Right next to it is the new Sync 4 infotainment system, displayed on a crisp 10-inch touchscreen. This system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, and also offers voice-activated navigation. Comfort-wise, the 2025 Puma offers supportive seating with available leather-trimmed options, along with optional heated seats and a heated steering wheel. The rear seats provide decent space for passengers, and Ford has maximized storage with its innovative Megabox cargo solution, adding extra depth to the rear boot for added versatility. Performance and engine options. Now, let's talk performance here, an area where the Puma shines. The 2025 model offers a variety of powertrain options to suit different driving preferences. The base engine is a 1.0-liter EcoBoost Mild-Hybrid, delivering around 125 horsepower. This engine strikes a balance between fuel efficiency and punchy performance, ideal for city driving and weekend getaways. For those craving a bit more excitement, Ford offers a Puma Street with a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, cranking out 200 horsepower. This variant comes with sharper suspension tuning, a more responsive steering feel, and enhanced driving dynamics, making it one of the most fun-to-drive SUVs in its class. The Puma also features drive mode selection, allowing you to toggle between eco, sport, and normal modes, adapting the car's throttle response and steering to match your driving style. Technology and safety. Ford has equipped the 2025 Puma with an impressive suite of advanced driver assistance systems under its Ford Co-Pilot 360 package. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, and the new evasive steering assist feature. The parking experience has been enhanced as well, with features like Active Park Assist 2.0 that allows for automatic parallel and perpendicular parking. The Puma also comes with a 360-degree camera for better visibility in tight spaces. Fuel economy and pricing. One of the Puma's biggest selling points is its fuel efficiency. The mild-hybrid variant offers impressive gas mileage, with an estimated 50-60 mpg, depending on driving conditions. The hybrid powertrain not only lowers emissions but also reduces fuel costs, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious drivers. As for pricing, the 2025 Ford Puma starts at around $28,000 for the base model, with the sporty Puma Street coming in at around $35,000. For what it offers in terms of design, tech, and performance, the Puma is competitively priced within the compact SUV market. So, Is the 2025 Ford Puma the right SUV for you? If you're after a stylish compact SUV that offers a mix of efficiency, fun driving dynamics, and cutting-edge technology, the Puma certainly deserves a spot on your short list. With its eco-friendly powertrains, standout design, and Ford's legendary engineering, it's clear that the Puma has what it takes to compete in a crowded segment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from My Motors Mind. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Puma.